Hey guys, I'm doing my Minecraft survival series. This is my episode 1. I just spawned and killed a sheep. Wait, I don't want. Wait. No, not. Sorry. Wasn't meaning to hit that. It was. Which one was it? This one? Yeah. I wanted to change. Damn it. Controls. There we go. Get started. I spawned in the best place. It's like a cross between a desert, a beach. I will not fall on you today, buddy. Not today. There's like a snow biome over there. Why the hell are there some? I don't know. Damn, they're on. Look at his little legs. You must die. Oh yeah, drop 2 meats. That's good. Okay, let's go get started on our house. Oh wow, that dude dropped a lot of things. This is the strangest biome. You can't run from me. I don't know where. I think I'm gonna build it up on this hill, my house. First. No. Okay, fine. That's what I wanted to do. Dig. I love Minecraft. Just love it so much. I couldn't worry about anything else until this house is done. Okay. Oh. The hell? Oh, maybe I'm not gonna make it up here. Let's go to the flat plains. Well, let's make it right here. The door's gonna be there. It's gonna be 3 blocks high. So hyped for this series. It's gonna be so fun. One more.